He can't score in big Champions League games. He's stopped improving. He's overrated. Kylian Mbappe was becoming a bigger and bigger target for harsh criticism. After Barca PSG, a huge match and a hat trick, he silenced all the critics. To the extent that he may have even put himself back in the race to conquering Messi and Ronaldo's throne. Kylian Mbappe left his mark on history. He crushed Barca at home. He became the first player to score a hat-trick against FC Barcelona in a knockout game in the Champions League. Faustino Asprilla and Andriy Shevchenko did it in 1997, but in the group stages. During Barca PSG, Kylian Mbappe played an immense match. Kylian Mbappe has been heavily criticized in France in recent months. He was targeted for not scoring in the Champions League for an entire year, for needing 4 games to score his first goal in 2021. Worse, for some fans, Mbappe was trying to pull a Neymar and was barely getting any better. Some people even thought that he'd reached his limits, or that he wasn't technically good enough. Tuesday, February 16th, 2021, Camp Nou, Barca PSG. The date, place, and location that Kylian Mbappe chose to set the record straight. Because some criticisms were unjustified and over the top. Saying that Kylian Mbappe didn't have an iconic game in a knockout match in the Champions League says more about the facts than the criticism. Kylian Mbappe destroyed everything in his path with AS Monaco in 2016-2017. Kylian Mbappe destroyed everything in his path with the French team in the 2018 World Cup. Kylian Mbappe destroyed everything in his path in Ligue 1 with PSG. He scored against Manchester United at Old Trafford in the first leg of the last 16, but was lacking the perfect game in the Champions League. 1 goal, 2 goals, 3 goals later at the Camp Nou against Messi, and Kylian Mbappe had his iconic game with PSG. You'll never hear these words again. He can't score in big Champions League games. He can't make PSG win like Neymar does. Yes, he can. But the craziest thing is that these criticisms never seem to get to him. Mbappe never doubted himself. After putting an end to his 4-game drought without scoring in January 2021, the world champion said this: "The truth is that I wasn't good. I know how to look at myself in the mirror to say when I play good or not. Many of the criticisms were justified. When people get used to you scoring, the day you stop scoring, people start asking questions. I also know my country better than anyone. I know that mentality of people here. I knew it was something that was going to happen. You just have to focus on work." This mental strength, this confidence, are the markers of a great. Kylian Mbappe is a champion, and the future belongs to him. We already knew it, but he reminded the entire football world. So, how far can he go? He was criticized a lot, but that's just the kind of thing that happens when someone's around for such a long time. As soon as they are less good, they get criticized. It's quite easy, but I think PSG have a future superstar who will reach Leo's and Cristiano's level. Rio Ferdinand, who played alongside Cristiano Ronaldo, also has an idea. Mbappe is on his own. Out of young players, he's on his own. People forget he's 22 years old, Mbappe. Given he's won the World Cup, what he's done in the French League, in the Champions League, he's been immense. This guy is going to take over the throne from Messi and Ronaldo when they're done with it. The throne awaits Kylian Mbappe like it did for the Mother of Dragons. The Frenchman largely has the time to go above and beyond his predecessors. If you look at the key numbers, he's reached 100 career goals at only 20, or 2 years before Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. He's reached 20 goals in the Champions League more quickly than Lionel Messi, with 9 months to spare. He was decisive in the French team's World Cup campaign, a title that the Portuguese and Argentine players are desperate to win. Cristiano Ronaldo won his first Ballon d'Or at 23, Lionel Messi at 22. At 22, Kylian is right where he should be. This player's only limit is his ambition. Kylian Mbappe doesn't just want a throne. He's aiming further, higher. the moon, the sun. But he could be heading for a whole other galaxy.